Let us now talk about the fourth case where C acquires 1 by 10th share from A and C acquires 1 by 2 share from B. Before finding out their new ratios, we need to find out how much sacrifice A and B made. Now for this, what you have to do is find out A's sacrifice. This is 5 upon 10, which is your old ratio, and how much is he giving to C? He is giving 1 by 10 of it. So this comes out to be 1 by 20. A's sacrifice is 1 by 20, whereas A's new ratio becomes old ratio of A minus his sacrifice equals to 5 upon 10 minus 1 upon 20, which is simply 9 upon 20. Let us keep this here and find out the sacrifice made by B. B's sacrifice. B's sacrifice will be his old ratio. Now how much is B giving? B is giving half. Like A was giving 1 by 10, B is giving 1 by 2. This comes out to be B's sacrifice to be 1 by 5. Always make sure that you simplify the fractions in order to get to the correct step. So B's sacrifice is 1 by 5. Now B's new ratio is B's old ratio minus the sacrifice made by B. This is B's old ratio 4 by 10 minus the sacrifice made by B, which is 1 upon 5. Or you can simplify this and write directly. 5 1 times 1 2 is 2 minus 5 1s are 5 1 1s are 1. So B's new ratio is 1 by 5 or 2 by 10, whatever you call it. Now, what is C's gain? C's gain is A's sacrifice plus B's sacrifice. Whatever A has sacrificed and whatever B has sacrificed. So C has gained A's and B's sacrifice. How much is A's sacrifice? 1 by 20. And how much is B's sacrifice? It is 1 by 5. We will simply add both these two fractions, which will be 5 by 20. This is C's total gain. Now C's new ratio will be simply his old share plus the gain which he has made by taking something from A and B. C's new ratio will be his old ratio plus the gain which he has made after A and B sacrificed. Let us just simplify this and this will be 7 by 20. So whatever A and B have sacrificed, C has gained it. The new profit sharing ratios for A is this, for B it is this, and for C it is this. What you just have to do is, you just have to bring the denominator equal. For A it is 20, for C also it is 20. Let us do it for B also. You multiply it by 4 by 4, it will be 5 4s are 20. So the new ratios comes out to be 9 is to 4 is to 7. Whereas the sacrifice made by A and B is this much and the gain made by C is 7 by 20. So with this we come to the end of these 4 cases. I hope you have understood. You can copy down the question now.